Jalab. So I figured it'd be a pretty good idea to give you a little more information about the not only the signal service, the premium signal service, but also free money in general. So let's go ahead and get started. So to get it cracking, there's no catch, there's no tricks, it's not a gimmick. You'll really see why it's called free money. And you still send me nothing, no Cash App, no credit card, no PayPal. You don't need any of that to take advantage of the 40 days of free money. The program was designed to be simple, easy, and time efficient. It was designed to take 10 to 15 minutes, one time per day, Monday through Friday. My goal was to ensure that those 70, 80, and 90-year-olds, those with a little bit more life experience, you feel me, could also benefit from the signal service. You will get access to a spreadsheet with specific numbers for the entry price, the stop loss, or the risk price, and the profit-taking price. From there, you open a new order on your platform, copy the numbers from the spreadsheet, and paste them into the correct field on your platform. Confirm the information is correct and submit. It's that simple. I have a demonstration video under the resource section, and when I say it's under 3 minutes and it takes less time than that to enter 3 signals, I mean it. Last but not least, you come with your own money seed to plant. If there is a catch, then I suppose that's the one. Like, you gotta give me some to work with. What you doing, boy? All right, so anyway. So the signals are keys to a car. You are fully responsible for what you do with the keys. Much like real life, you are entirely responsible for what happens when you are behind the wheel of the car. No matter if you are texting, drinking, eating, putting on makeup, or paying full attention, it's on you. Regardless of what happens while you are behind the wheel or why, you are responsible. And so, if you choose to copy and paste the signals, you also choose to take full responsibility for the results of these signals that you placed in your account, be it for profit or be it for loss. This is not advice. This is not a suggestion, nor is this a recommendation. I'm not legally certified to give any kind of financial advice or recommendation at any time for any reason. Please know that moving forward. What I will do is I'll paint a picture of an example scenario. Let's say someone takes $500 and decides, okay, I'm going to see what this free money thing is about. Sweet. They open and fund an account with $500 and decide, okay, if I lose $150, maybe $200, then I'm closing my account, taking my money out, and I'm done fooling with this signal service thing. All right, moving forward. So one of 3 things are likely to happen. 1, they lose $150 to $200, close their account, and that's that. There's nothing to cancel, no email list to unsubscribe to, no phantom, fake, or mysterious charges because I don't even have your card information. It's all good. The second thing that could happen, they take the signals for 40 days, profit in their account by the end of the 40 days, and on the 41st day, they lose access to the signals and we go our separate ways. My soul is happy, I kept my word and did a good deed, and their soul is happy, they got some free money. Wow. The third thing is they take the signals and end up profiting in their account by the end of the 40 days. They lose access to the signals on the 41st day, but they decide to subscribe to a package to continue getting access to the signals, which were so profitable and good to them. At which point, I would only be receiving some of the dollars I helped put into their pocket. Now that's as fair can get. I mean, of all the deals in the world, no, I'm playing. No, I'm not. Moving forward. Each package comes with access to the spreadsheet data for X number of pairs. There will be days there are no signals to give regardless of the package subscribed to. The spreadsheet will only have numbers that matter. Each package has both daily and weekly signals. Daily signals are updated by 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Weekly signals are updated on Fridays by 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The purpose of the daily signals are similar to the paycheck from a 9 to 5 type of gig. Weekly signals, however, fill the retirement nest egg void. The chosen market is the foreign currency exchange, also known as Forex. This was a chosen market, A, because it's an internationally traded market, thus giving worldwide access to the program, and B, there's an extremely low monetary entry point, like $50 to get you in the door, like for real. Of course, it's up to the individual how much they want to fund their account with, but you don't need much to get started. This concept only works with a universal broker, and so I have chosen Oanda for this task. A few reasons being A, my personal experience, B, their innovative award-winning ways, C, they offer a demo account, D, their expertise and experience in the field of currency exchange specifically, and E, they were one of the first ones with that WAP, like way back in 1999, my boy. And that's, of course, wireless application. And E, they were one of the first ones with that WAP. I'm talking way back in 99 before the 2000. Of course, those wireless application protocol is what I'm referring to. So go ahead and check them out. I left a link in the resource page, or you can go to oanda.com. That's OANDA.com. I also have a link in the description of the video. So here are some program goals. Some goals I have with the program are, one, to get you forward thinking about your finances and your life. I'm talking looking 5, 10, 20 years down the road. 2, give you the confidence to sit down with a financial advisor and or a tax professional. And 3, to serve 1%, at least 1% of the American population. So that's basically it. But one last note that I have is I recommend that you get your Oanda account opened and the ability to fund it together before you sign up for the free money, because once you sign up, the timer starts. And yeah, that's it, man. That's basically it. Some people think, that this program that I've been planning, I ain't even gonna tell you how long I've been planning it, but some people think that it's not real or it's too good to be true. And for those people, it's definitely gonna be, because you're not gonna sign up, you're not gonna benefit, and by the time you want to, maybe it won't even be available. So the way I see it is a whole lot of skeptics. I totally get it. Free money, like who's done that before? Nobody's done that before. So whole lot of skeptics, but there's gonna be some people that's like, you know what, it's free, it don't cost nothing. Let me sign up, see what it's about. And those people, they're gonna see what it's about. And in seeing, they're gonna be like, all right, that's something I subscribe to. Some people are gonna wait till the 40 days are over and then they're gonna subscribe to it. Some people that were hesitating, they're gonna be like, what y'all doing over there? And now they trying to get some free money. And then those people that had no interest, couldn't believe it, didn't check it out, blah, 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 was dumb, deaf, and blind to it, they gonna start hearing about it. And like I said, by then it might even be too late. So that's more info on the package. It's really easy, man. I know I said 10 to 15 minutes and I meant that. And I mean, look at the demonstration video. It's copy and paste. It's designed to be easy. It's designed to be quick. And it's designed to change lives. So whether you allow it to be a part of your life transformation, that's up to you. But yeah, I'm doing my job. With that being said, y'all have a great day. And as always, man, God bless you.